Good afternoon, Internet. My name is Robert, and it's minus 9 Celsius out here on the Kennebecasis River, and I'm walking from way over there, over by the shore. There's a lot of fishing shacks and stuff over there. There's smelt fishing, and these guys over here, they're hake fishing. They're out in deeper water, hake fishing. That's where you catch the hake, and the smelt you catch closer into shore. But I'm walking all the way over there to Long Island, to Minister's Face there, and there's waterfalls over there. It's all frozen, but that's my intentions, is walking over there today and getting some drone video and some video on my GoPro of the waterfalls and stuff. It's a long walk and it's hard walking.